Daddy's little girl. Molly's dad is the best dad ever. He's strong and he's brave and he does things that are clever. He fixes what's broken and makes them like new. Her dad is her hero and her best friend too. Each night, once she's bathed and has climbed into bed, Daddy sits down with a story to be read. Before leaving, he shoos the monsters away. He keeps Molly safe and protected each day. I'm a monster gobbler. I love how they taste. Something like a donut or maybe toothpaste. Donut know what you do without me, teased Dad. He makes Molly giggle. He makes her feel glad. Dad is so funny. He's wise and he's clever. He tells the best jokes, keeps her laughing forever. He horses around, giving piggyback rides. He's more fun than a swing, trampoline, or a slide. When he gets home from work at the end of each day, no matter how tired, he makes time to play. He picks Molly up, tosses her high in the air. Playing with Dad is more fun than a fun fair. Molly will never feel scared. With Dad there each day, no one will hurt her. He'll make sure she's okay. While Dad's around, Molly has nothing to fear. He will always protect her. Of that, she is clear. Dad is the best model for makeover days. He sits down on the floor and lets Molly play. She covers him with paint, glitter, and makeup. When finished, Molly helps Dad with the cleanup. If Molly falls down and scrapes her hands and knees, Dad cleans up her wound and makes certain that she is all bandaged up, and he gives her a hug. She feels snug in his arms like a bug in a rug. When she feels unhappy or has a sad day, Dad makes sure to take time to sit down and play. He tells silly jokes, makes Molly feel fine. Dark clouds disappear, and back comes the sunshine. He's positive and happy. He never gets mad. Molly is lucky to have such a fine dad. She knows he will always take care of her well. I'm lucky to have you, Dad. I love you. You're swell. The end. I hope you liked that.